Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 6 of remote learning. I hope everybody has transitioned already to the new schedule and the different ways of learning that we have encountered right now. I hope that you guys are able to complete your assignments and submit them on time. I want you to know that I'm here to help you if you need help with any of that. I'm only an email, text, phone call away. So for this week, I wanted to do something a little different. We are going to try an escape activity where you have to do a couple of things in order to figure out the clues and to see if you can find the codes. So this week you are going to be on a mission to break the 5 different codes and escape. In order to be successful on this mission, you must learn about otters in order to protect them and solve the puzzles. You must use the codes in each clue on the Google Slides that will help you escape. All right, so can you escape the room? Basically, each day we have you 3 times a week. So each period, you're going to get 2 escape clues to answer. The first period, which is today, you will only have 1 escape room to answer because you're watching this video. And the other 2 days, you will have 2 escape rooms to answer. And I will show you what I'm talking about in just a second. So you will be given a link to a Google slide that you need to make a copy of. There will be 5 of them. So the first one is here, an introduction to otters. So on the first slide, you will always have the 4 or 3 or maybe 5 questions that you would have to answer in order to break the code. All right. So basically, you're filling in these answers or doing as it says in order to break the code. All right. So these are like clues. You're going to do some reading about otters. Okay. See slide 2, 3, 4. They give you visuals and they give you information. These are all factual information because remember, we're doing an informative readings right now with different types of animals, endangered animals. And then on slide 5, you will have a little vocabulary kind of activity where you have to drag the answers to the right place. So like, let's say you can click on it and drag it to the right place wherever it goes. Then you have slide 6, which is basically the clue page. All right. So in order to figure out these words, you have to have the answers to the questions on slide 1. All right. So whatever answer this would be, whatever word this would be, you would put it in to this number 1 boxes. Whatever the answer to question number 2 would be, which is this question, you would put the word in here. So you would have to create a text box in order to put those words, or letters I should say, in each box. All right. So once you have the answers to question 1, 2, 3, and 4, you are going to then figure out this letter or number, right? This letter or number, this letter or number, this letter or number, and this letter or number. And you're going to put them in order over here. And this is going to be your code for breakout code number 1. All right. And you must save them because at the end of the week, I'm going to show you the Google form that you're going to fill out, and you're going to put in the code for each one to find out if you were correct or incorrect. All right, so this is going to be for today's lesson. You're going to read, you're going to try and figure out the code for this right here. So for the next breakout code, it would be breakout code number 2, which is river otter adaptation. All right, and over here you have 4 different clues that you have to figure out by reading and doing a true or false and definitions. And finally, again, those 4 words or numbers would go here, and then you would find the clue. All right, so that's number 2. Then you have breakout code number 3, right, which is about sea otters. Again, you're going to do some reading, definitions, and a breakout code. And 4, adaptation again. Okay, and you have 3 different clues this time. You have to follow the directions, read each slide, complete each task, all right, and do the clue. All right, now I want you to remember, after you finished with each Google slide, each clue, you must submit it, okay? And I will write that down in all the instructions. After each period, whatever clues you have completed, you must submit it, all right? So this was clue 4, and this is going to be clue 5. Sea otters are endangered, okay? And we could read about that and try and remember that you're going to respond to these 4 questions or tasks in order to break the clue, all right? And that is the last one, all right? And then on our last period that you have me, some of you have me on a Wednesday, the last period, some of you have me on a Thursday, the last period, and some of you have me on a Friday, the last period. Whichever day that falls for you, you will get a Google form like this where you will put your name. You already don't have to click on the links because you've already done them, but all you have to do is you have to put in your code for each breakout room that you have completed, which you have already completed all 5 at that point. All right, and then you will submit and figure out if you have broken the escape room. Okay, so I hope this video helped you a little bit, and if you have questions, remember, I'm only an email away. All right, have a wonderful day.